Join me as I dig deep to uncover the shocking secret hidden inside bananas. Can I figure it out before the day ends? Bananas are one of the most widely consumed fruits in the world, and I bet you've had one today. They're a staple in many households, and we love them for their convenience, taste, and affordability. But have you ever stopped to think about what's really going on with these yellow wonders? People often tell us that bananas are super good for us, packed with potassium and all sorts of nutrients. And that's true, but there's also a lot of misinformation out there. Some folks claim bananas are native to Central America, while others think they're originally from Asia. The truth is, bananas actually originated in Southeast Asia, and were introduced to the Americas by Spanish missionaries. Another common myth is that bananas are not very nutritious. I mean, some people say they're just a bunch of sugar and not much else. But that's not entirely accurate. Bananas are a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a great snack for on the go. Of course, it's always good to eat them in moderation, but they're definitely not as bad as some people make them out to be. You might also have heard that bananas are all genetically identical, which is kind of weird when you think about it. But it's true, most bananas are a specific variety called the Cavendish banana, which is a clone of a single plant. This makes them more susceptible to diseases, but it also means they're super consistent in terms of taste and texture. As it turns out, bananas have some amazing health benefits. They're a great source of antioxidants, which can help protect us against free radicals and cell damage. They're also pretty good for our gut health, thanks to their prebiotic properties. And let's not forget about the potassium, it's essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure and supporting bone health. The genetic makeup of bananas is pretty fascinating. They're actually a type of herb, believe it or not, and they're part of the same family as lilies and orchids. It's no wonder they're so good for us, given their unique genetic profile. Bananas have also played a significant role in many cultures throughout history, from being a symbol of fertility in ancient Egypt to being a staple food in many tropical countries. But here's the thing, bananas have been genetically modified over time to make them more appealing to consumers. Some people might say this is a bad thing, while others argue it's just part of the natural process of domestication. Either way, it's clear that bananas have undergone some significant changes over the years. Bananas have also had a huge impact on our culture and economy. They're one of the most traded fruits in the world, and they're a major source of income for many farmers and producers. And let's not forget about the iconic banana split. It's a dessert that's been enjoyed by people all over the world for generations. So, what's the shocking secret about bananas? Well, I think it's the fact that they're actually more like a superfood than we give them credit for. Not only are they packed with nutrients, but they also have some amazing health benefits that can help us live longer, healthier lives. In conclusion, bananas are definitely more than just a tasty snack, they're a complex and fascinating fruit that's full of surprises. From their genetic makeup to their cultural significance, there's a lot to learn about bananas. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on bananas in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about nutrition and surprising food facts, be sure to check out my other video on the secret lives of apples.